Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you our harvesting routine. So everything pretty much needs to be harvested. We have these raised beds, we have raised beds over there. Everything needs to get harvested today. So I just use these little metal bowls. We have so much, these will all get filled up really quick though. So let's get started.
So what are those?
These are garden peach tomatoes. So this is better. They get to be this color. Sometimes they get a little bit orange when they start to go like overly ripe, but they're really good. But they get nice and big. And then these are our Isis candy cherry tomatoes. And sometimes they get a little bit redder, but they taste really good when they're this lighter color. I think I'm gonna organize them by variety this time so I can tell what's what. Normally I just pile them all in together, but I think I wanna like separate them this time. So these are the cherry sweetie cherry tomato. And anything that's like cracked or broke, whatever, I just chuck into the chicken coop for the chickens.
Can they eat tomatoes?
The chickens, oh yeah, they love tomatoes. See, this one's like mushy right here. So it just goes over into the coop for them. The chickens will eat pretty much anything. Like, I've even had an egg crack and it like cooked in our 110-degree heat and they were all over that, which I thought was really weird, but they went for it. Did I crack another one? I did crack another one. Good morning. Oh, hello. Go get her. She's so freaking. Charleston, you're the cutest thing ever. I'm right here, baby. You want to come help me?
Hello, my princess.
Hello, Cinderella.
No,
What?
I'm Cinderella.
Then who are you?
Chachi.
Oh, you're Chachi? You have a beautiful dress on.
Thank you.
All right, these are our brown berry cherry tomatoes. You guys look, they always have like a green top and it looks a little brown. But these ones are really good. They're not as sweet though. They're more of like I guess like a regular, well, you would get in the grocery store. They're not as sweet as the other ones. All right, so these are some more cherry sweetie tomatoes and I'm just gonna mix them with our first bunch. There's so many. It does take a while to kind of see and grab everything, and a lot of times they're hidden. Like sometimes you'll look down and they'll have 5 or 6 that you've missed the past couple harvests, and they'll be nice and ripe. Sometimes I like to pick them a little bit before they're ripe, just because I know that they're gonna get ripe soon, and if I don't want to harvest every single day, I should stag them now and they'll be ready by the time we want to eat them. These are just more of the Isis candy
Daddy?
tomatoes. Charleston, do you want to come help me?
It's hot. It's hot.
It's hot. Okay. That's okay, honey. It's like 105 out here today, so. Yeah, she's really cranky when she wakes up from a nap. All right, guys, we had to take a break. We just worked out for a few minutes. It is so hot here. It's like 105, and our phone's overheated. So we're gonna get back to it. I'm gonna do some of our yellow pear cherry tomatoes. These ones are really good, and we have a ton of them. We've got 3 or 4 of these plants in the other garden too. I'm gonna have to harvest, but you can see they're super pretty. These ones are good. They don't really have that much flavor, but they're just nice to snack on. So we've got quite a few. We have some more in the back raised bed too. We've got a lot of harvesting to do today. All right, guys, this is our spaghetti squash, and I am going to harvest just one because we're gonna have it for dinner tonight, and this should feed our whole family. This is some kind of honeydew melon. We have the exact name somewhere down in here. You gotta watch, we got cucumbers growing down there, but I'm gonna clip one of these so the kids and I can snack on it this week. And these you don't want to twist and yank off the vine, you want to cut with clippers. These are red garden salsa peppers, and these are right next to our garden salsa tomatoes, and we've got some oh, you're muddy.
Pick some?
Yeah, you can pick some, just make sure you don't eat them because they're hot.
Here.
Thank you.
She's hot.
Oh, your feet are hot? We'll go put your shoes on. But these are great for salsas. I have made 2 or 3 salsas with these, and they've been amazing. I just use some of the pepper, some tomatoes, onions, cilantro. Super simple, and it's really good. We've got baby bell peppers. We have red ones. And I like to just cut these up and snack on them with either some hummus or just some peanut butter. Oof, I'm dropping them. You got them? That one's not quite as red, but this one is. Some of our eggplants get really big, and then some of them hang around about, if I can cut these are thick, about this size, which is just fine. Sometimes they get really big, and then sometimes they're just dinky like this. But it's okay. We have a couple more on the vine, so if we wanted to have eggplant parmesan tonight, you could just get the small ones. Oh, thank you. All right, we got some grapes here, and I'm going to snip some of these off, and I am going to make some plum jam. If we have some, oh, plum jam. I'm gonna make plum grape jam. If we have some plums left on the tree, I'm gonna mix them in with these. Do you want to hold one for me?
You know what variety they are?
I think they're like the seedless purple.
They're flame.
Oh, just kidding. Those are the ones in the back then. I let these zucchini grow too long, obviously, and they don't taste as good when they're this big, but they're still edible. We've got about 3 or 4. So we have a ton of raspberries ready right now. This is our second big harvest that we've got to do. Beginning of summer, they produced a ton. So I'm hoping...
Heritage red raspberries.
Heritage red, that's right, sorry. I'm bad about telling you guys the varieties. I'm hoping to make either a raspberry cheesecake or just raspberry jam with these. We can keep the kids from eating them all in one. All right, we have some sweet banana peppers and some jalapeno hot peppers and Anaheim hot peppers. Georgia! Oh, we've got quite a few of all of them. Oh, she wants grapes. You can't have grapes, honey. Quite a few jalapenos. Gonna make some jalapeno poppers, and then the
There we go.
Anaheim hot peppers.
Thank you for the grapes.
Thanks, Sissy. I'm gonna add to our tacos or burritos or something like that. This is a Georgia rattlesnake watermelon. We actually haven't got to try. Yeah, we haven't got to try this one yet, so we're kind of excited. Are we gonna have some watermelons tonight?
What else do you have?
We've got Georgia rattlesnake and then Charleston gray over here. We've got another one on the other side or right up in here.
Crimson sweet.
Crimson sweet, yes, we have that one too.